So Lex, you almost got raped. You killed a dog.
That's hilarious.
5, 4, 2.
Hello.
Protect the borders at all costs! Get closer. Oh god. Get those fellows peppered! Engineer right side.
I'm the fear addicted, danger illustrated. I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter. You're the fire starter, twisted fire
Sit right on
starter.
the regulators.
I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter.
Get these ads down right side. Guys!
58 left, 41 right.
On the bitch you hated, built infatuated. On the plate you tasted,
I forgot to play this again.
intoxicated.
49 left, 41 right.
I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter. You're the fire
Did she-
starter, twisted fire starter.
Bombs on the left.
Bombs coming up on the right side.
Set and left, the right side.
Oh, under the bellows.
Left side's dead, right side's dead. Right side, do not kill it.
Hold on the
Yeah,
right
right.
side.
You can drop on the third more bomb over there, but just the one.
Hides out.
Sack, please, sure. Go, sack.
Go ahead and kill it.
Go ahead and kill it.
Here we get a bomb.
I got it. I just ran over there.
What's up with the bombs?
Sack, sack.
Shout out, stay behind the bellows.
Did you already revive me?
Alright, melee on the foreman. Range.
Just wait till like the next boss or something. You can do it now.
I will crush you!
Help her out with some interrupts. There we go.
Get this bellows.
Foreman sub 20.
Melee stay on the foreman, ranged on the slide elemental.
Make sure, yeah.
Bombs. Get out of the way.
Hold the range and gain
Watch
skull.
the rupture.
Alright, good on skull.
Me,
Range on skull.
Move the mobs more.
Get ready. DPS X.
Slide bomb.
Okay, everyone on X. Everyone. 1 and 2 groups will use their cooldowns.
Someone dropped a pool.
Foreman's dead.
Stop doing that.
Ooh, there's a pool on fucking elementalist.
That was placed before.
I was placed before.
Yeah, I was before.
It was mine. Okay, whoever has instack elemental and low health, place it in the air.
Did
Get it out of there.
groups 1 and 2 use their cooldowns there?
Yes.
Okay, DPS this. Let's go.
That is not melee. Melee, get away.
I'm at the next one. Do you want me to stand at the next one or come to that
Stand
one?
there. Stand there. Okay, shield is going down. Okay, next one.
Okay, I'm at the next.
Fire colors. Make
Melee,
sure
get on these fire collars.
Okay, groups 3 and 4, your cooldowns will be here. Get ready, everyone switch to X right now.
Tide's out.
Everyone on Skull.
Blue's drinking.
Right, moving on. Kill ads. Melee on
Melee
ads.
on fire collars.
I have security guard on me. Okay, everyone DPS, the range will DPS at home. Get ready for X. Groups 1 and 2.
Melee
What
on these fire
now?
collars.
What now?
Switch to skull. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen earlier. I'm sorry, Nickel. There's some of these ads out with that, I guess. Switching.
Kill all these ads. We got a lot of fire collars up.
Okay, range.
Get ready to switch.
Everyone get ready to switch to X. Switch to 3 and 4.
Skull.
Also 3 and 4, everyone.
Everybody just range. Everybody.
Everybody.
Boss, or should I take it? Take boss. G on Mets. As soon as
Everyone
we push up the boss, everyone kill the ads.
Tide
now. The corner.
Vigi on Mets.
Roaring Fox. So get the operator.
Yeah, it's like bomb.
Mets is not dead. I am not dead.
Okay, never mind.
Not
Sorry,
yet.
I got you, my range.
You got Mel.
Alright, Connie here.
There's like Org Gorger, guys.
There's still fire collars out, so let's kill this
Fire
fire
collar.
collar.
Pulling him out.
This ad's gonna kill me.
Yeah, they're not tankable, so.
You should not be in front of the tank.
You want to get some bad?
Yes, get NDZ. And save one. First and rally. Did it. Connie, now.
Tide's out.
Hellstone's using.
What time where you place your milk guys?
Just like Org Gorger, guys. Get away from Doodle, I have the next mount.
These ads are killing me.
Connie.
Get away from Doodle, I have melt.
We need to pull back.
have a Vigi if you want it.
Go ahead and use it.
On who?
Me.
Got it.
I got the next veggie.
I have 2 bots ready for you, Rod. Make sure you're telling me when.
You need to move, I think. We don't have room here.
Vigi on Mets. Vigi on Mets.
Got it.
Get away from Doodle, I have the next melt. I'm far on the gate.
Gonna rally out.
Move now with
Still
Sack
have
on
2,
Mets.
Roger.
Sack on Mets.
Alive.
On me.
Knocks it off.
I have another one, Roger. Tell me when.
Hold it for now. Sack on me.
you need to move.
Res task.
Get a less for the people that died.
Tonic. Got it.
You, Roger.
Nice. Bonus roll goal.
Yeah, you guys.
Bonus roll?
Shit.